Good morning and welcome to our Foundation Stage and Key Stage 1 Celebration Assembly. It's lovely to see you all here today and I hope you've had a really good week. So this week is Mental Health Awareness Week and the theme is Express Yourself. So I thought I'd wear my favourite wig and hat to make you smile, which I hope it did. And I'm sure you look fantastic in what you've chosen to wear today to express yourself, and I hope you're really enjoying your favourite clothes. Mrs. Lotter has also been busy making lots of mindfulness videos, which I'm sure you may have seen on our YouTube channel. And on Monday, our whole Garlish Primary School community is going to join in together for Monday's Moment of Mindfulness at 1:15. If you're at home or at school, we would love you to take part. And all you need to do is go onto our Team Garlin's channel on YouTube and watch one of those videos, and it'll be a really nice time that we can all think of each other and all do something at the same time. So let's start today with our attendance, and we'll start with Foundation Stage. So we've got Attendance Ted here all ready to go, and it was really close this week, and the people and the children and everyone who was attending Zoom was even better than last week. So well done to all of you. But our attendance winner this week for Foundation Stage is Dragon Class. Well done. Oh, that made me jump. Oh, well done to all of you. Fantastic. Sure, we can hear lots of claps around Thanet at the moment. All of your teachers have been telling me what great learning you've been doing this week at school or in our key worker provision or at home. I've had lots of emails from your grown-ups telling them what you've been doing. I've seen other work as well, so well done. Keep it up. So let's see who our winners for Foundation Stage are this week and who is going to have a certificate either given to them in school or through the post. So let's start at nursery in Rainbow class. Marley, your nursery's winner for some excellent work and learning that you've been doing and really making an effort. Well done. In Alien class, we've got Lily for an excellent effort with your home learning. Well done, Lily. Keep up the good work. In Dragon class, we have Hattie for some super home learning this week. Well done to you, Hattie. Keep up the great work. Keep doing all of those brilliant activities that your teachers are setting. In Pirate class, we have Finley for some fantastic number work. Well done, Finley. I know where to come if I need anyone to help me with some calculations and some maths. Well done. And in Dinosaur class, we have Oliver M for fantastic problem solving in maths while learning at home. Well done, Oliver. Keep up the great work. So all of you at home, you'll be receiving your Learners of the Week certificate through the post very soon. Okay, let's find out who is our attendance winner for Key Stage 1. So that's Year 1 and 2. So, where is Attendance Ted going to go this week? This week, our attendance winners are Class 2A. Woohoo! Well done! Well done to everyone in Class 2A. I'm sure you can hear all those claps and round of applause from around Thanet now, congratulating you. So our attendance winners are for those of you who have been in school and who have been attending our Zoom lessons. So if your class didn't win this week, make sure that you keep coming to those Zoom lessons, logging in and watching all those great lessons that your teachers are doing. And next week, you may even see me pop into some of those lessons as well to say hello. So I look forward to seeing you. So let's move on to our Key Stage 1 Learners of the Week. In Class 1A, we have Tabitha for doing amazing work both at school and at home this week. Well done, Tabitha. Keep up the good work. In 1B, our Learner of the Week is Lilu J for persevering with all of her work every day. Well done, Lilu, one of our very important school values. Keep it up. In Class 1C, we have Amelia S for showing our school values of perseverance, teamwork and aspiration by learning to tie her shoelaces, and for also saving story time with her incredible reading. Oh, what a busy week you've had. Well done, Amelia. It's not easy being able to tie your shoelaces, and you can't always do it straight away, so you've obviously shown really good perseverance and tried really hard, so well done to you. In class 1D, we have Liberty for her home learning and working really hard on her Zoom lessons. She's also been the writer of the week and worked really hard with doing all of her learning, and her mum has emailed in lots of work to share, so well done to you. Keep up the good work. In class 2A, we have Toby for developing his confidence to participate verbally within your online lessons. Well done, Toby. So you're joining in, having a talk on your Zooms, really taking part. Well done, Toby. Keep up the good work. In class 2B, we have Kyle for showing excellent listening and participation in our Zoom lessons. Really important to really listen well. So well done, good boy. In class 2C, we have Lottie for her excellent contributions during class discussions about what makes a good friend. Well done to you, Lottie. And I know that lots of you are really good at working together and making friends. And soon, I'm sure we'll all be back together at school where you'll be able to see and play with your friends again. So well done, and well done to Lottie. In class 2D, we have Josephine for showing wonderful commitment to her online learning. Well done, Josephine. I know that you've always been working hard, and I've seen some of that learning you're doing. So well done to you. Brilliant. Well done to all of our learners of the week, but also well done to everyone else. We've seen some great achievements in our assembly today, but also I know that lots of you are working really hard at home and school. So keep it up, and I'm sure you may be Learner of the Week next week. And I'm really proud of all of you. So well done. Keep sending that work in. Keep all of that fantastic learning going. And remember, even though we can't all learn together at the moment under the same roof at school, we are all learning together under the same sky. So keep working hard, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.